everyone, we're here at the Shammy Shack car wash and we're going to see how their wash does. So I'm gonna pause until we are pulling in. Okay, here we go in.
Alrighty. There we go, thank you. Neutral.
The employees keep giving us dirty looks. I'm insane.
Yeah. Not loving that.
Interesting how they have like an Omni first. Like the pre-soak and then the Omni.
Huh.
Oh, here's the foam.
Water.
Yeah,
That's
there's
nice.
half of it's just water.
That's always appealing. Let's have the left-hand part of the car clean and not the right. Don't you worry, you don't need the other half clean.
It's the Omni. Not great coverage on this lava.
Yeah.
Stinks in here too.
Yeah, I'm not all that impressed with this place.
Oh, look what they have for the counterweight.
Nice bucket.
Not too impressed with this place so far. And this thing isn't even making a very good curtain at all.
I wouldn't call it a curtain, I call it a dribble.
Yeah. You got some fan brushes here. Then a freestanding top brush that comes down way too late. Then a Peco. The half nozzles don't work. They got a front to back knitter and some broken rockers.
Yeah.
And look at that, the cloth is like coming
Dragging.
apart.
Oh dear.
Rain-X, let's see, blue coral polybond wax.
For superior shine.
Yeah. Then you got spot free.
Well, that's good.
That was a big jolt.
Yeah, I'm not sure why. There's nothing under.
Oh, I think it was the tire shine.
Oh.
And then some Peco dryers. Which are really just moving the water around.
Alrighty.
And a sign that half works.
And they don't spit you out of the car wash very well. So
Yeah.
if someone was super close to you in the back, you're in trouble.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the pitiful tunnel
With some impressive icicles across the street.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
What did you think?
Not super great. I just want to point out to everybody that I have committed to no longer be on my phone during these washes, and I'm not too impressed with this place.
Yeah, honestly, this was probably like one of the worst tunnels, like at a professional tunnel
Yeah.
that I've ever seen.
Yeah, I'm not impressed.
I'm gonna say this is a 6 out of 10, which is impressive for a tunnel because
that's pretty low.
Yeah, that's really low for a tunnel.
Well, and I thought the employee was nice, but
Gave us lots of dirty looks.
yes, the one guy, if he talked to you, he gave you dirty looks. The other guy didn't even talk to you. It was like, okay.
So yeah, that is the.
And then there's your vacuums off campus.
Yep. And then a razor over there.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, and the razor door doesn't close all the way. It's like half open.
I think it's broken. It doesn't look good. Yep.
So yeah, that is the
Shammy Shack.
Shammy Shack car wash.
It's very much a shack. Poor guys.
So yeah.
They can do better.
Yeah, seriously, they don't care for their tunnel.
We'll have to come back. Hopefully they will improve.
Yeah. But yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.